Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to set up Steam on your MacBook in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to store.steampowered.com. Step 2. Click on Install Steam at the top right and download the Mac version. Step 3. Once the download is complete, open the .dmg file and drag the Steam icon into your Applications folder. Step 4. Open Steam from Applications, log in with your account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Step 5. Complete any updates Steam prompts, and you're ready to browse and install your favorite games on your MacBook. That's it. Setting up Steam on your MacBook is fast and easy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick and simple tutorials.